Okay, take two. So we're going to load the dishwasher and add motion. So we're starting with, watch what you're flipping because you don't want to cover your kitchen in grossness, such as curdled milk from a baby cup. I'm slinking through my kitchen. My kids would probably be laughing hysterically at me. Sound effects make it extra fun. And yes, you can laugh at me. Make it fun. Make it creative. Make it you. You don't have to do the same things I'm doing. You can do what feels right for you. You know, if you feel like balleting style steps, go for it. If you want to be big and stomping, go for it. It's what helps you get motivated. What makes you comfortable doing for yourself. This group is all about you and your needs and your desires. And Nikki and I are working to help you achieve those goals and to get healthier and think healthier. And yes, I'm still overweight a year later, but you know what? A year ago, I could not walk from one end of my house to the other without panting in pain. And now I can walk a half mile, so it's a start. It's a step. I'm moving forward, and I hope you are too.